Good afternoon. It's always a very difficult exercise to be at the end of the morning. First, thank you to have me here. I'm just waiting for all the stars to be on the newspaper. Okay, so we have listened to a lot of things this morning, and well, one thing which is very sure, and this is across the private sector, the public sector, across the geography, we tend to forget something, is that our greatest asset is people. And we can be in a moving technology environment. Okay, the best performing company are first the one having the best people. So there is nothing new now. The secret to success is our people, whatever might be the industry. And something that become, and we still have some efforts to do in India, is all about measuring how engaged our people. Because we know that the more engaged they are, the better they will satisfy our customer and our consumer. And there is a direct link to profitability and productivity. This is demonstrated by a lot of studies. So far, I don't know what is your point of view, but what are engaged people? In our view, in Sodexo, engaged people are first people happy to go to work. This is a little bit basic, but this is very important. Healthier physically and emotionally, willing to go for the extra mile. Okay, going beyond what they are expected to do. Value the company culture, and which are our best ambassador, and this is why this is so important. So we have run some various studies all across Asia, and I would like to share very rapidly some of the output. So first, to have engaged people, one of the prime expectation is career development. Okay, all over Asia, this is very, very specific. Flexible hours is a significant need in India. We will see afterwards the other country, but in particular in India, flexible hours is a significant need, and especially about when we are speaking about millennials. Millennials increasing looking for non-monetary benefits. Very important to take that in account if we want to attract the best and to have the best employee value proposition. Multi-benefit offering can significantly enhance the employee value proposition. So this is a trend that we start to see in India, that we have seen in a lot of countries. If you go to the most advanced one like Sweden, you go and you have really a cafeteria of different benefits, and the people are picking up what is relevant for them, according to their family situation, according to their fiscal situation, according to their age. The Indian workforce is more satisfied and enjoy better quality of life at work. And this is one of the outputs, is that so far in India we are not doing that bad. Okay, and this is where they enjoy most the work. So you can read the detail, but what is very true is that after pure financial benefits, the meal, okay, at work, or the capability to have a decent food at work is becoming within the top three all across Asia. This is very normal. Everyone needs to eat, whatever might be the level, and you are all expecting to eat. So I know. Okay, I'm going there. Okay, well, digital is a big word nowadays in India, and has for sure impacted all the sector, and especially the sector I'm working in, which is the benefits. Okay, we are the representative of the Central Bank of India, so for her in our industry, all the coupon that everyone knows here have completely disappeared. We are fully digital, okay, since now a year. And it has changed a lot of things if we are looking at the employee experience, okay, that the millennium are looking for. First, it's a capability today for you to implement policy all across the department within your big organization, and it has a clear impact on the productivity and the engagement of the people. For sure, that evolution enable a much more easier implementation. You just imagine, some of you guys have known that before or have witnessed that. Okay, distributing coupon every month all across India was a nightmare. So now digitalization enable a very seamless process. If we are coming back to specifically that meal benefit in India, most of you guys know it. This is only focused on food, okay, and food items, okay, and this is what allows to have a decent meal or eventually to support the family. What has enabled also the digitalization is the capability to channel to each and any employee distinctive value proposition on top of the tax benefit they have, because all that meal benefit provide an extensive 12,000 tax rebate, but on top of that today, we are also capable to channel discounts that companies like us are negotiating with various merchants. So the idea is always to increase the purchasing power of the employee without any cost for the organization. So we know that bringing social benefit to employee has a great impact on the retention, okay, and on the attractivity for the employee. So today, the scheme proposed, at least by our company, is clearly socially focused on either getting food at the workplace, either being able to support the family, okay, with food and only food. So, in a nutshell, this is a win-win for you and your employees. Just keep in mind that it has no cost for the organization. The only impact is a personal income tax impact for the employee, which are taxable. Okay, so no cost for the organization, but a better net pay for all and any employee in your organization. Today, you can reorganize your cafeteria approach, okay, implementing various prerequisites, including the meal benefit. For sure, the biggest organization, and especially the PSU, okay, adopting that scheme, have actively participate to Digital India. Just give you an example. LIC is one of our clients. You can imagine that we have been the one bringing digital transaction in more than 1,500 cities pan-India. And so this is also our participation to that initiative. As I said, that doesn't require any investment, and this is valid for small and very big organization. And just for your knowledge, the organization that I manage, okay, is today counting 150 public sector entity client of us since more than 20 years. So we are not absolutely unknown. And that's it. Just for you to go for your lunch. There is another session. Sorry for the next one. I'm very, very sorry. Okay, you will have to wait a little bit more. I have made it short. Okay, you, all my team or part of my team from Delhi, okay, is there at our booth. Okay, they will be more than pleased to welcome you there, discuss your specific challenge. Okay, and I wish you a very, very good day here in Delhi. Thank you.